want to do a quick little story on the Karmann Ghia here. This is a 1969 Karmann Ghia coupe that I call the school teacher's Ghia. And this was owned by one gentleman since new until he passed. It came from Long Beach, California. It was sold new at Circle Motors, which is a dealership that's still around today. And the owner lived 3.6 miles away from the dealership. And he worked at a local school for many years, and this was his daily driver. And he kept it after he retired, and it was his car. It was his pride and joy. He obviously kept very good care of it. This is all original paint that's on this car, which is pretty spectacular. It does look, looking real close, that there has been some paint touch up to the front end, but looking around in there I don't see any reason for it. It must have just been some paint scratches or stone chips on the front. The car has, I believe it's 69,000 original miles on it. It was always parked in the same garage, and always had just one man's hands on the steering wheel. Toolkit is there. All the numbers are there. Chrome blue is the name of the color. Now the car needs a bit of a detail. It's got one little ding here in the roof. Some minor scratches and stuff. We brought it here to the lab for analysis and to detail it and prep it for sale for the estate. The original owner's manual is there. 61,000 miles is what it looks like there. Still original interior. The seats have broken down a bit and will need a little bit of help. The car does run and drive beautiful though. Started right up after sitting in the guy's garage for quite a while. Pretty spectacular little car really, and I'm sure once we've detailed it up and messed with it, it's going to be even better. The engine compartment is a little dirty, but you know, all of this will clean up with a little bit of effort. Some detailing in here is going to do wonders. It is the numbers matching original engine, and a very, very pretty color. Still has bias ply white walls on it. Very, very straight body. And it's amazing that cars like this are still out there. But as people get older and they move on to the next life, these cars get set free. I imagine where this guy was located, he was constantly propositioned by people that wanted to buy it. And I'm sure the answer was always no. But you'll have your chance. Once we're done cleaning it up, it will be posted on oldbug.com for sale. And somebody is going to be a lucky owner number 2 for this 1969 Karmann Ghia.